Hello, my name is Wakuma, and I'm just giving a summary of the chapter 5 of the Java programming. In chapter 5, we learn about the loops. There are three types of loops, the do while loop, the for loop, and the while loop. The part of the loop that contains the statements to be repeated is always called the loop body. That is a one-time execution of the loop body is referred as an iteration of the loop, and the infinite loop is a loop statement that executes infinitely. And in the designing loops, we need to consider both loop control structure and the loop body. So while the loop checks the loop continuation condition first, and if the condition is true, the loop body is executed, or our program just executed the result, and if it is false, that statement is just terminated, or the loop terminates our code. The while do loops is similar to the while loop, except the do while loop executes the body first, and then checks the loop continuation condition to decide whether to continue or terminate. So when it checks the loop continuation, so it's do the while it checks the while do while loop and to terminate or to continue. The while loop and the do while loop often are used when the number of repetitions are not predetermined, and a sentinel value is a special value that signifies the end of the loop. And the for loop generally is used to execute the loop with a fixed number of times. So it's not variable, so it is a fixed number of times. And the for loop control has three parts. The first part is the initial action that of initialize the control variable. The second part is the loop continuation condition, if it continue or terminate, and it determines whether the loop body is to execute it. And the third part is executed after each iteration, and it's often used to adjust the control variable. And it's usually the loop control variables are initialized and change the control structure. The while loop and the for loop are called pretest loops. So because the continuation condition is checked before the loop body is executed, and the do while loop is called the post test loop because the condition is checked after the loop body is executed. So the pre-test and the post-test, they are the while and the for loop. They are both the pre-test, and the do while loop is just the protest. And the two keywords that as break and continue can be used in a loop. The break keyword immediately ends the innermost loop, which contains the break, and the continue keyword only ends the current iteration.